FSR stock Fisker Inc. So in the last trading session, the session of the 1st of December 2022, the stock closed at $7.32. It's trading around $7.29 in this pre-market session of the 2nd of December. So you must have heard the news that short seller Fuzzy Panda reported that Fisker has $825 million tied up in an undisclosed guarantee to protect Magna. Magna is an Austrian contractor that is actually making the cars for Fisker. So they're saying that the short seller, according to Bloomberg, the short seller estimated that at least $790 million is pledged to ensure Magna is paid for tooling, manufacturing, and margins. But the company Fisker has come out to deny and debunk this rumor and all these allegations. It says Fisker called the claims untrue, saying in a statement that it does not have a bank guarantee with Magna. Fisker, which said it had issued a cease to desist letter to the short seller, also rejected another allegation that in the report that it does not own the intellectual property of its Ocean SUV. The founder and the CEO, Henrik Fisker, told employees earlier that the reports were largely misleading. In an internal email, he asked staffers not to engage with social media posts about the matter. A spokesperson for Magna International Inc., the parent of Magna, declined to comment. The claims are part of a longer report published yesterday, the 1st of December, about Fisker making the startup the largest target of short sellers who say young EVs have overpromised on their way to becoming public companies. So given all that is going on, we know that the short interest is around 29.92%, and according to FINRA data and with the help of TradingView, we have that the trading volume for the last trading session, that is the 1st of December, was around 3.35 million shares, which is around what it was sometime in August as well, and also sometime in September as well, but not as high as it was on the 24th of May, when it was around 4.761 million shares. So this is just the volume, the short volume for the individual trading sessions. So for the last trading session, the 1st of December, it was 3.361 million shares. So given all of that, the FSR stock is consolidating within a longer term downtrend. You can see that this 200-day moving average underlies the underlying trend. So it's consolidating within a longer term downtrend. Shares are presently below the 200-day moving average, which is falling along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index, or ADX, is below 20, indicating that the shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. It's also underperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. Yes, it seems the short selling is affecting the stock. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation is giving way to near term selling pressure by traders. And the folks at Schaefer's Investment Research says that it had a recent rally, and that rally fell short of the $9 region. Okay, it's 120-day moving average has acted as pressure for most of 2022, and year to date is down 53.5%. So given all of this negativity and the pessimism towards the stock, we have been able to plot a Fibonacci grid here from we picked it up from this peak. It ran up as of the 1st of August. At that time, it was actually above $9. $9 is the figure that the folks at Schaefer's Investment Research indicated. Since it hasn't really crossed that sort of level since I think since September, I believe. No, it hasn't really. Yeah, okay, since maybe I would say since it fell below that level sometime in September, it hasn't crossed up, it hasn't reached there. So that rally, this is the rally they're talking about as of the middle of last month, November. So as of the 15th of November, it was at 861. It never reached that $9. But in any case, our projections, picking it up from this peak of $10.4 or thereabout, which it reached sometime in I believe, when was that? That was, must have been sometime in yes, that was early August. So we have upward projections around $8, 8.45, 8.94, and also using the Fibonacci grid as well, or here on trading view we have various projections as well, a cluster of them, 7.27, 7.52, 7.77, 8.11, 8.56, 9.85, 11.93, 14.01. You know, a lot of those are not there's no guarantee they are going to materialize. So I guess the more realistic ones are the 7.27. Okay, let's get the current price right now. Current price is 7.29, I believe, in this pre-market session, 7.29. So these are the prices that are much more realistic: 7.52, 7.77, 8.11, 8.56. Okay, so if it gets to 9.85 according to what is being projected here on TradingView, then it would have broken its 120-day resistance, when the 120-day moving average resistance. So, but our own projections doesn't have it's not as detailed as that of TradingView. So once again, we have $8, 8.45, 8.94, and probably towards $10.4. So short interest for FSR stock, 29.92%. There's skepticism towards the stock. Who knows what buyers are going to do, you know, given the increase in short volumes. You can see that it spiked yesterday to roughly 3.5 million shares, roughly 3.35 million shares. Okay, we have upper projections from $8 up to 8.95. See what you make of FSR stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.